YouTube, it's your boy Zain the Barber back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a skin mid fade. This is the before cut. Stay to the end for the results. Alright, to begin the fade, we're going to set in our first guideline using the Wahl 5-star clipper. Now, we're just going to bold out everything under that line. Now with the shaver, we're going to go skin off the sides with a flick out motion about half an inch below the bowl line. You want to make the skin smooth as possible just under that line with the shaver you're using. My hand right now, I'm using the Wahl Finales. I think these are the best. Now to start the process of the fade, we're going to go up about an inch with the lever open, no guard. Now to take out that line, you're going to use the machine with a flick out motion halfway and then all the way close, making sure you don't create another line. Now for the second guideline, we're going to go in with the number 1 guard, flicking up about another inch. Alright, to take this guideline out, we will go in with a 0.5 guard using the same flick out motion. Now for the third guideline, we're going to get our number 1.5 guard and go up about another 2 inches. Now I've got the 0.5 guard again to completely knock out that final line. Use the machine as well, like in different directions because of the hair growth. To finish the fade, you want to go in with the lever open and close, hitting the dark spots or any lines that you see. Now to put in that extra detail, I went in with my Wahl detail and start flicking, making a smooth transaction. This will get you that nice blurry crisp fade. When it comes to the hairline, what I like doing first is getting a number 1.5 guard and removing the extra hair that's sticking out. Client sitting on my chair right now had a bad hairline, but we're going to bring him back to life. Alright, to start the lineup, start from the middle and make your way to the left or the right, keeping it straight as possible. My client had a few light patches, so I had to dig in a bit to make it stand out, making sure you're just tapping with the machine and not pressing hard, creating a cut. The most important thing about a haircut is the lineup, and that box stands out the most. At the same time, you can't push too back. When you're using the blade, you want to make sure you're using it in a 45-degree angle and try avoiding cuts. And you want to stretch the skin while you do it and brush the hair off when you're done using the blade. Make sure you catch every hair in every direction so don't miss any hair. For me, this is the most satisfying part of the haircut, is me using the blade, making it nice, sharp and crispy. Make sure you're using the blade correctly and taking your time, because this is what the clients want. Now on the other side, you just want to completely do the same thing again, but in this side I've made it a bit different for another video. Stay tuned for that too, guys. My client wanted a line in the eyebrow and shaped up around the edge and 2 cat scratches. Very easy and simple to do. Right, if this tutorial helped you out or you learned anything from it, drop a comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like this video, please smash the like button. If you guys want to see more content like this, please smash the subscribe button now with the bell notification on. Perfect the fade, I just went in with a few final touches. This is the before. He went 3 months without a haircut from bald. Boom, this is the final cut, made him look like a new man. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.